tacos? Yep, I'm talking in my humble Spanish because today it's all about Mexico City. As most of you know, whenever I visit a new city, I like to document the history of a local dish as well as some of the best places to eat that dish. So today I'm going to talk about the best spots I enjoyed during my trip to the beautiful capital of Mexico. Hopefully, by the end of this video, you will start planning your next trip. One of my favorite things to do when I go to a new city is to check out the local markets. A bustling market is one of the best places to fully explore the ingredients and dishes that define a city. Luckily, Mexico City has some of the largest and liveliest markets I've ever seen. My favorite one is the Coyoacán market. Established in 1921, this two-story hub of the Coyoacán neighborhood is one of Mexico City's oldest and most popular markets. You can find it all here, from fresh produce to fresh pastries to tacos and tortas. Coyoacán Market is also well known for its textile and art vendors, which is fitting because Frida Kahlo's iconic home and museum are just a few blocks away. You already know I hit up some great restaurants while I was in Mexico City. Excluding the 5 taquerias I mentioned in another video, my favorite restaurant of all is Expendio de Maíz. Located in the Roma neighborhood, not far from Mercado Roma, is certainly one of the most unique restaurants in Mexico City. There is no menu, and the dishes change daily depending on what's available. The restaurant opened as a corn school where people could come to learn more about the crop that is so important to Mexican food and culture. The restaurant's corn-based dishes, cooked over an open flame, will give you a new appreciation for this ubiquitous crop. Obviously, food is the biggest part of my global travels, but I like to explore each city's cultural offerings as well. Did you know that Mexico City is home to over 150 museums? This makes it one of the best cities in the world for museum goers, and culture vultures of all stripes will find plenty to enjoy here. My favorite one is the Museo Nacional de Antropología. Mexico's largest and most visited museum holds countless artifacts from Mexico's ancient civilizations, including the famous Stone of the Sun, a 16th century Aztec calendar stone measuring 12 feet in diameter and weighing in at a little over 54,000 pounds. Then, when it comes time to let loose at the end of a long day, Mexico City has no shortage of options. The majority of the capital's most popular bars and nightclubs are located in the trendy neighborhoods of Roma, Condesa, and Polanco. In general, Polanco tends to have the glitzier, more luxurious clubs. Condesa offers a more affordable nightlife scene, and Roma tends to have a funky, bohemian vibe. My favorite place the club is Patrick Miller. Located in Roma Norte, this massive 2-story club plays everything from 90s dance hits to disco and EDM. And it attracts people from all walks of life to its sprawling, high-energy dance floor. In all these places, I had a terrific time, and I hope you are able to enjoy them as well. If you want to know more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Hasta luego.